So here we've got a 2005 Town and Country Enter van, it's called. It's a high-end van for that time, and it's been converted over to have handicap accessibility. And this is actually designed, sometimes you look at vehicles and they're designed for someone to bring someone somewhere that's handicapped, but they're not handicap suitable themselves. Well, this one is. So one of the first things it has is automatic door opening and ramp deployment. So let's try that and see. And you're going to pay attention here to the height of the van too. Now, did you see that? The van actually moved down a few inches. And moving down those few inches makes the angle on this ramp quite a bit less steep. So that means someone who uses, my wife has electric wheelchair, so it doesn't kind of matter. But for someone that's, powering the wheelchair with our arms, this will make it easier to get in and out. Well, out they'll be rolling, but, in, they won't have to use as much strength because the angle will be less. And I'm going to show you, this got out of sync and stopped working. The door and the ramp wouldn't work at all. And I took it to a handicap repair place, only one around as far as I know. And they were able to reset it and it works again. And I'm going to show you where the reset button is in this vehicle. So we opened up the hatchback in the van, and this is on the left side, or let's say the driver's side in the back. There's a controller in here. Let's take a look at it. We've got our 2005 Town and Country conversion van, has ramps, wheelchairs, and the ramp stopped working. So here's what the repair I got, or at least the guy showed me how to do it myself next time. This is the box that controls there's a bunch of switches in the car, and so if you can see, just barely see over there, there's a, there it is. There's a red button down there. It's kind of hard to see in this light, but there's a red button right there, down right there. See it? They just press that in, and it reset all the switches, so the lift worked again. I would assume other vehicles have probably got something like this, a control center that works all the additional things that were put into the van. Okay, let's try to put it up now. The ramp goes back up. And the door. Oh, did you see the van? Did you see that it moved back up? So there you go.